Welcome to Around You. We help you in your daily tasks. There are different modes you can try, such as clothing, shopping, labels, explore, menu, reading and more.
Start clothing mode.
You are now in clothing mode. Striped, more than one color sweatshirt. Solid, red sweatshirt. Solid, black jean.
Start walking mode.
You are now in walking mode. Cause detected. Moving cars ahead. Cause detected. Moving cars ahead. Moving cars ahead. Moving cars ahead. Cause detected. Moving cars ahead.
Start shopping mode.
You are now in shopping mode.
Search for banana.
Searching for banana. Lemon. Strawberry. Corn. Banana is in front of you.
Search for milk.
Searching for milk. Milk is in front of you.
Start labels mode.
You are now in labels mode. Waitrose whole milk. Waitrose semi-skimmed milk.
Start menu mode.
You are now in menu mode. Chicken tikka masala, M.N. £8.95. King prawn tawa, F. £12.95. Chasni lamb, M. £9.50. Jaipur lamb, M. £9.50. Tandoori king prawn
Start numbers mode.
You are now in numbers mode. 01483 440 440 01483 567 999.
Start explore mode.
You are now in explore mode. A body of water with a stone wall next to a river. A river with a river and a river in the background. A long line of benches are lined up on a path. A long row of benches are lined up on the side of a river. A river with a bridge and a river in the background. A boat is traveling on a river near a forest. A tree sitting next to a river next to a river. A river with a bridge and trees on the side. A man walking along a riverbank next to a river.
Here's how it all works. When the user says something, the audio is streamed to the Nginx server, which then routes the data to the SOC2IO audio server. The audio is then recognized using deep speech model, and then the results are returned to the user. Next, the camera feed is also streamed, but this time it goes to the SOC2IO video server. The server acts as an API gateway, sending the image to mode-specific APIs. In this example, the image goes to the Shopping Non-Objects API. It is processed through Inception v3 model, and the predictions are then returned to the user.